Hey guys, so in this video or today we are going to cover cancer pathways, which will be very fun, and we will what am I trying to say? Be very fun, and we will have that under our belt for this beautiful YouTube channel that we are creating here. By the way, I've got my Christmas clothes on, and underneath I have my witch's clothes on. And I'll probably be getting back to that later today. But without further ado, let's get started. So, oh, by the way, it is Christmas Day, and I woke up around 5 a.m. this morning. So, yeah. It's still dark when I woke up, but anyways, let's get started. So, if you would regard the whiteboard on the screen here in this picture, I should put it on the screen here. So on that screen, you should see a picture that says cancer pathways. Yes. And so let's talk about it. So the first pathway is called gap junctions. You should see a title that says gap junctions. So in cancer, there are 3 pathways. And I'm pretty sure I have mastered them here at what I call Clear Industries, but it's just a company that I would like to start one day, or just like a cosmic company that I would like to come under. Yeah, so here at Clear Industries, we have understood that there are 3 pathways for cancer. The first one I'm going to explain now. The first one is gap junctions. The second one is cellular respiration cycles. And the third one is DNA polymerase. So the first one, gap junctions. A researcher that goes by the name of Dr. Michael Levin, and he's working on morphogenesis, and I think he has a company, or not a company, he works as a professor at like Tufts University or something like that. I'm not sure. But Michael Levin, he said in an interview one time, he said in an interview that cancer cells have an unusually low amount of gap junctions on their cell membrane. And what a gap junction is just a channel in a cellular membrane that basically allows water and solutes and things like this to flow in and out of, or maybe not solutes, but just water, but maybe it's not solutes, so it's like just water. But water flows in and out of the cell through these gap junctions. Yes. Okay. And through these gap junctions also, and these gap junctions are made up of 6 proteins assembled in a hexagon, obviously. And this protein is called connexin. So basically, the gap junctions let water in and out the cell, and by letting water in and out the cell, they filter out audible sound waves and visible light waves. Yes. Okay. And so gap junctions. Okay. So now I know what a gap junction is. Why is it important? Well, because Michael Levin said that cancer cells in his research had an unusually low amount of gap junctions in their cell membrane. Right? And of course, there's only one truth of nature, otherwise that would be really silly. Unless it was the Matrix or something. But so hold on. I'm getting really distracted. Sorry, let's just bear through this video. So explain gap junctions. So cancer cells have an unusually low amount of gap junctions. Yes. And actually, in my cancer pathway, that is the exact reason why a cancer cell is morphologically a cancer cell, because it has under the threshold of concentration of gap junctions on its cell membrane. Yes. Okay. So that's the problem. And why is it a problem to have low numbers of gap junctions? Because water is not flowing, so audible sound waves and visible light waves are building up inside of your cell. Yes. Okay, that is a cancer. That is a cancerous cell. Cosmic light and cosmic sound is fine to be inside of cells, but visible light waves and audible sound waves are not supposed to be inside of cells. So that's a cancerous cell. How is this measured? So on the board, you'll see the second thing below the description of gap junctions. And basically, it describes, it says the word dizziness. And dizziness is basically what is felt when a cell has an unusually low amount of gap junctions. The solution to this cancer pathway is the molecule fructose. So the molecule fructose has an epigenetic effect on the cell in which it causes the expression of the protein connexin. And when you ingest fructose, your cell starts to express epigenetically more connexin, and that builds gap junctions. Sorry for the distractions back here. I'm trying to move through these videos here. Through this video. So that's the first cancer pathway, and the cure to that is fructose. The second cancer pathway is cellular respiration cycles. So when these audible sound waves and visible light waves get inside of the cell, it hits the enzymes in cellular respiration cycles, which make them start to dysfunction and create free radicals. This is felt by kidney pain. And it is solved by the molecule vitamin C. Okay, the third cancer pathway is DNA polymerase. When the free radicals are moving around the cell, those free radicals will attack the DNA polymerase. And the DNA polymerase will start to attach to the DNA prematurely and initiate cellular replication, which is cancer. And this is felt in the body as a headache. And it is solved by the molecule astaxanthin, which is a one of the most powerful antioxidants in the world. And so those are the 3 cancer pathways. And I think I've done this in almost exactly 10 minutes. So, also I know a random other fact. Beet juice has the effects. Beet juice has, I'm like rushing through this, all these distractions, sorry. So beet juice causes your body to stop angiogenesis, which is the creation of blood vessels to the cancer tumor. So basically, beet juice prevents tumor formation, and that's basically all I know. Those are my 3 cancer pathways. Okay, so I hope this video has found you guys well. Sorry for the distractions and all the craziness. As I always say, another day in nature, another chance.